Good afternoon. This is my 1976 Honda CB750 K6, currently for sale in Las Vegas. As you can see, it is a very original bike. A lot of hard to find parts are still on it and working, making an excellent candidate for a restoration. Or it's a great bike just to keep as is and enjoy for a long time. Currently has just under 28,000 miles. Only 5 miles since I gave it a refresh and tune-up. It had been sitting quite a while in my family's indoor storage. It belonged to my grandfather. So a lot of time, money, and effort went into making this bike what it is now. So as we come around here to the front, we have the original headlight bucket. Have the part right here. HM20H, and you'll notice the nice chrome trim ring around the headlight. It's very difficult to find one of these in this condition, and the aftermarket ones, if any of you have tried them, they don't fit. So also has a made in Japan Koito headlight, which is period correct, and these are the original headlight holders. We do have new headlight stay brackets. These are genuine Honda. And the chrome is in decent shape for its age. You can see there is some pitting and marks. But again, for an original bike, nothing out of the ordinary. Coming down, the forks have been rebuilt with progressive springs, new fork seals. Coming down to the wheels, these are the original wheels and spokes, although the tires and tubes are new. Original fender. Original brake caliper, which has been rebuilt with new pads, and we have a new master cylinder as well. And one thing to take note, all of the turn signals, these are the original Stanley lenses. It won't show up in the video, but the Stanley and the part number are all embossed on there, so these are not aftermarket or replacements. Coming up here to the handlebars, original gauges. Again, this bike has been stored indoors its entire life, so they're in very good condition. New master cylinder. This is an aftermarket set of controls from 4-in-1. Original mirrors. This is a new set of controls from a CB550. And these are the original clutch and brake levers. The clutch cable is new. Both throttle cables are new, so this bike will stop and go without any worries. This is the original gas tank lid. The lock was added later on. As you can see, as mentioned in the listing, it does need painting as there's chips and flakes coming off it. Coming down to the motor, it has never been opened up. The cases have never been split. It is a clean, original motor. It does not leak oil, and it runs very well, as you will see. The carbs have been rebuilt and synced. This is the original airbox. We do have genuine Honda dust covers on them as well. Brand new fuel lines, and also down below, brand new vent lines. This is the original exhaust, the HM341s, and coming around you can see we have the original baffles as well. Original chain guard. The chain is in good condition, as is the sprocket. And again, that is the original rear tire and spokes with a new tire and tube. The tail light is a Stanley again, with a brand new LED tail light in it. Original rear shocks. And then coming over on this side, these are aftermarket side covers. So they're nice and soft and supple, so they're easy to take on and off. This is just the black plastic that they come on, so they're very easy to sand down. Just wet sand them with some 600, and they're easy to primer and paint to any color you'd like. These are, as you can see, the original emblems. Personally, if I was going to keep and restore this bike, I would get new ones, just because these have seen 40 years worth of riding. But that is, of course, up to the buyer. Coming over here, original Kickstarter and Kickstart rubber. These are period correct case guards. Underneath the cover here, we have brand new points and condensers. Brand new brake shoes for the drum brake in the rear. And if we come underneath, one of the things that makes this bike so special is you'll see there is some dirt and road grime, but there's no rust or holes in the exhaust. I know it's difficult to see on video, so you'll have to come check it out. Original horn. And also way back inside we do have the original blinker buzzer. So to demonstrate the electrical, let's get the key in. So as we turn it on, these again are brand new LED lights in both the gauges and the dash. The high beam indicator also works. And we can come around to the front. The high beam bulb works as well. And then we turn on the blinkers. You can hear the buzzer, nice and loud. And the blinkers do work fine. Just to demonstrate again. And we have this nice bright, let's see if I can get this on video one-handed. Again, LED taillight, very bright, very safe. Helps other people know you're on the road. Now going underneath the seat here, this is the original seat and pan that has been recovered. I left the original strap on it. If you wanted to replace it for cosmetic reasons, you certainly could. But it is a very comfortable, very soft and supple seat. You could ride on it all day long. Original seat lock is here. The original fork lock is also in place with the original Honda key. A little sticky. Okay. Do you not want to go in now? There we go. A little sticky, this one. But you open it up. Brand new AGM battery. Brand new genuine Honda battery strap. Brand new genuine Honda gas tank rubber. This is the original complete toolkit. I'll have a picture of that all laid out. And then obviously you still have your document holder here. Some of the decals are still on the fenders, including the one for the helmet holder. But again, this bike is not a show bike, it is a rider, but all things considered, it is in excellent condition for its age. So now let's go ahead and listen to it run. This is a cold start. These are ice cold. So let's get the key in. Turn the fuel on, choke on. Set this to run. Let it warm up. I usually turn the choke off pretty soon afterwards. Gas, just so you can see. The idle doesn't hang. Probably needs a little bit more tuning. But as you can see, it fires right up. Idle's good. I would drive this from here to Utah or California and not think twice about it. And obviously it's idling a little high right now. As it warms up, we'll lower that down. But why don't we go take it for a ride?